Mahindra Automotive on Wednesday said it has tied up with vehicle and leasing subscription platform Quiklyz, which allows customers to lease Mahindra vehicles in a hassle-free manner. Following this collaboration, the platform will now be available live on Mahindra Auto's portal and across its dealership network, Mahindra Automotive said in a statement. The platform will offer convenience, flexibility and choice to customers across 8 cities: Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Noida, Gurugram, Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Chennai. Vijay Nakra, Chief Executive Officer of Automotive Division of M&M Limited said, the pay-per-use model has been specifically designed keeping in mind the changing customer needs. Offering leasing options to customers through our sales channels will provide customers with flexibility and transparency in a simple and convenient manner.